Yo, today was my last day of school. Thank God. I'm gonna miss all my friends, but now I'm gonna head uptown. I'm going to get the 7 train. Oh my God! And look what we got here. 5 trains. 5 trains. 3. I'm going to Grand Central. So I'll be back with y'all when I get off the train. Welcome to Grand Central.
Attention everyone, your safety
Welcome to Grand Central. Yeah, welcome to Grand Central, y'all. Oh, shit. I thought I would never make it up there. But it seems like I did today. So it's up here. Before you can head over to the station.
This is an accessible station. Check and see how it falls by elevators.
5 on the platform. Holy shit. But that may be cool, but that's not what I came here for. I came to get the 7. But there's also something else I want to get. I'm gonna be back when the 4 train is coming in. Oh shit. We got a 6 train. Look at that! Look at that! 4, 6. Woo! Got a 4 and a 6 train coming in at the same time. Holy shit.
Step aside and let the passengers off the train first.
And you got a 6 train. Oh god. The 4 and the 6 came at the same time. This 6 train is going to Parkchester. Four and 6. The 4 is out. Ah, and the 6 too. 4, 6, 4. Damn. Oh look, we got a downtown 4 in the Crown Heights. I'm gonna report this downtown 4, then I'm gonna get the 7. Look at this. We're on 4 train. Next stop at 14.
Is located at this station.
76 or 6. It's nice seeing these trains flying out of Grand Central.
The next train to arrive on the Queensbound Express track is not in service. Please stand away from the platform edge.
Oh shit. We got 3 of them. Good shot. What? Look at that. Yeah, but here's my question. Why is there a 3 coming up at Grand Central? Who knows? Look at that beauty right there. Hey y'all. I'm back. Look where we at. 42nd Street, Grand Central. We got CBTC on the signal system. Holy hell. This is my first time being down here. Well, I was down here before. I was really young, so I didn't know much. But look at me now. I'm old enough, and look at this. You know, don't this station look pretty dope? You got a 7th Street, 34th Street, Hudson Yards. You got a 7th Street, on Green Street. There you are. Yeah. 188 on the 7th. Woo! Now I can finally get through the 11 process. Yeah, look at this. You got the CBTC panel right here. Yo, this is crazy nice. This is my first time riding on the all 188s. Bye bye.
It is dangerous to hold the doors open when the train is in the station. The train is moving when it's upset as they back on the doors.
You gotta remember, the 17 now has CBTC. Now with CBTC, these trains can run really fast in tunnels. Sick Avenue.
Transfer is available to the D, F, and M trains.
Holy shit. This thing is crazy. And we're at 5th Avenue.
This is the 34th Street Hudson Yards bound 7th train. The next stop is Times Square, 42nd Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Nah, but ain't no fucking way I'm on the 7th train right now. My first time riding the all 188s. No, this is my third time riding the all 188s. You know, the 188s on an updated version of the all 142As with CBTC. That's what this big panel is right here. Time for 47. Look at this beauty. There was a 7th Street heading back to Main Street. Next time when I ask to come back out here, I'm gonna get the 7 going to meet it.
This is the 34th Street Hudson Yards bound 7th train. The next and
Look, we're heading down that way. Heading to 34th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Nah, this is crazy. We got green signal all the way to 34th Street. This train's going down on the west side. Look at this. I'm gonna try and get it from right here. I know it's a little blurry, but it is what it is. Straight ahead is 34th Street, that's the yards. But you guys can see here, but beyond the station, there's another 7th Street. Literally sitting in the tunnel waiting to get back to Main Street. And welcome to 34th Street, Hudson Yards.
An accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
Transfer is available
To the M34 select bus service. Holy hey yo. Anyways, welcome to Hudson Yards. The last stop on the 7. Look at that right here. Oh man. Nah. These tunnels are still brand new, but we still got some trash down now. But it's alright. You know what I mean? I love the subway system. I love it. I love my buses and I love my trains. Look at that. Look down there. What is that, do you see? We got another 7 train laying over down the tunnel. Oh man. Now we got some good views over here. We got the whole 11 car train in the station. Oh man. Anyways, this train is gonna be heading back to Main Street in 3 minutes. Holy, oh shoot. Look at that. Speaking of another 7 train, here's one right here. 7451 leaving in the Hudson Yards. And just know, these trains are long. Yeah, these trains are long too. Literally. Back in the day, these trains would run, these trains, as of today, these are 11 car on all it needs. And guess what? These trains have a C car in the middle of 2 5-car sets of trains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I was in the 5-car section of the train heading towards Flushing. Meanwhile, the 6-car sets are up here. And they're heading out towards Main Street. 7481 in the middle and 7456 in the second set heading back up the line. Holy hell. Oh look, some of these train cars are even mixed. 7820 paired up with 7905. Yodi. I literally got off the train now and walking back. Yo, look at this. You got these beautiful 11 car trains running on the 7. Anyways, Now I'm on the 7, heading back up to Main Street. Look at this beauty right here. Tell me that this don't look beautiful to you. You get that beautiful view of 34th Street. It looks so beautiful. That was crazy. Anyways, we are now coming up towards Times Square. Times Square, 42nd Street.
Accessible station. Elevator. Transfers available to 1, 2, 3, A, C, E, N, Q, R, and W trains, and shuttle to Grand Central. Connection is available to the Port Authority bus terminal.
Yo, I love my 7 train. I haven't been able to get on the 7 in years. And look where we are now. According to this 7 train. Queensbound 7. The next stop is 5th Avenue. Next stop is 5th Avenue.
There is a downtown local 7 train to 34th Street. Hudson Yard. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
And look what we got. As soon as the uptown is leaving, we got a downtown approaching too. But look at this. Let's say goodbye to the 7 train. There's another one coming in. Let's say goodbye to this one. Bye-bye. Hopefully next time I can go all the way out to Queens. Hopefully. But hopefully Community Express.
This is the 34th Street Hudson Yards bound 7th train. The next and last stop is
34th Street, Hudson Yards. Look at this beautiful train right now. Oh my God. Look at these beautiful train sets running on the 7. Since 2013. Anyways, that's it for the 7. Now it's time to hop on the 3. I'll be back when I'm getting on the 3. Anyways, y'all, I'm here at the platform. We got a 2 train heading up to the Bronx. I can't wait for this 3 train to get here. And we're here at Times Square. Wait a minute. Oh. Man. We got a 3 going on home in a minute. You want us to have in 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Man, these trains are... Oh, man. I did the 5, 4, and 6 on Lexington. I did the 7 to 34th Street. And now I'm doing the 3 all the way back home. Oh shit. And speaking of the 3, here it is. Look at that. 3 coming all the way from my side of town into Manhattan to get us to 148 Harlem. Oh. And speaking, we got another train. Look at this. We got a 3 going home. And we got a 1 going to South Ferry. Look at this beauty right now. Look at this beautiful 1 train right now. The 3 got 62s, and the 1 got 62As. Look, 1900 leading towards South Ferry. Yo, these trains are gonna be retired anyway. Sorry. These trains are gonna be retired anyway.
Bridges of Downtown Express 2, Train 2, Flatbush Avenue, Brooklyn College. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
And guess what? We got a 2 train coming down too. The 2 is approaching the station now. 1899 and 1900 leading up front. And 1900 is out. Come on. Heading to Flatbush. Crazy. Next time, 34th Street, Penn Station on the 2-1. Look at this. 2 train heading to Flatbush. You got a clear seat or departing out. Come on. Alright, and out you go. Yeah, boy. 2 train. Next up is the 3. It's coming in a few minutes. The 3 is in 2 minutes. Come on, buddy. Your headlights are coming down the track. Ah, there you are. We got a 3 going to New Lodge. Oh my God.
Step aside and let the passengers off the train first.
Look at this. 3 train heading to New Lodge. Now it's time to head home. Meanwhile, we got a 1.
Please step aside and let the passengers off the train first.
We got a 1 heading toward the Bronx. And we got a 3 going to New Lodge. Holy hell. I can tell this now. We gonna be flying through the tunnels. Are we? Yeah, we gonna be flying. 14:30 heading to New Orleans. Anyways, brakes release. Let's get moving. Anyways, 34th Street, Penn Station. Transfer to the 123 ACE train. Connecting to the M34 select bus service. Transfer is available to the Long Island Railroad, New Jersey Transit, and Amtrak. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is 34th Street, Penn Station. Yo, this train ride is gonna be dope. So you know what? I'm gonna enjoy this ride, and I'm gonna pick up the camera when we're coming up in Brooklyn. Alright, peace. Anyways, y'all. Now that the day is over, I can end my vlog right here. Now I can get this thing going, the new one. Thanks for the chirp. Got another 3 back here too. There you go. Shit. What a day. I mean, the day was pretty fire though. What a good day.